Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento Area Realtor. This is your regular monthly update for the market stats. This is the update for the end of April and the beginning of May. And we're going to talk about the statistics that just came out for the month of March 2012. Well, once again, the median sales price has gone up. Again, we're at $165,900 is the median for the county. That's up from $163,000 in February, and the bottom, which was January, at $160,000. So we've had 2 consecutive months of the price increasing there. Definitely, we've seen the bottom of the market has passed us now. It was looking like the bottom was there near the end of 2011, yet the stats weren't quite reflecting it yet, although the market was showing it the way everything was happening with transactions and offers and everything. But now finally we're past it. We're able to see that the bottom looks like it statistically occurred in January 2012 at 160,000. We went up in February. Now we're up again in March. I would expect this to continue. Really, the way it is the inventory is down. The inventory dropped again in March. We're down to 1.1 months worth of inventory. That's the lowest ever on record in the Sacramento area. It's just incredible how few homes are out there available for buyers. We went from 1.6 months in February to 1.1. That's over a 30% decrease. Because of the fact the sales went up, the supply of inventory went down. The sales went up over 20% from February to March. We're up above 1,700 sales in March. So we're having a lot of sales. There's hardly any houses out there. Because of that supply and demand matrix from economics, our median price is going to continue to go up. So we're starting to see, actually, now that there's been some price appreciation happening and it's kind of transitioned to a sort of a seller's market here, is that a lot of sellers that were kind of watching things and waiting are now starting to put their homes on the market. And so we actually had 40% equity or regular or conventional sales in March. And that's up. We only had 30% REOs and 30% short sales. And that's shifting a little bit more towards conventional sales, because the fact of the matter is a lot of sellers are seeing this right now as an opportunity to finally get their house sold where they've got some leverage in the situation, where there's not a lot of competition out there. It's kind of a weird, really unique market, really. It's sort of a perfect storm kind of thing right now. Although if you're a buyer, although the bottom is kind of passed, it's still great time because of the fact interest rates are still around 4%. I mean, you got to be kidding me with that. And then the fact that you've seen, look, you know, things are getting better here in our area with real estate, and you're still going to at least get in at a good price where you know you're close to the bottom here. Get a property. It's great for buyers right now. Although it's not real easy, it's still great once you do get something. You know you've locked in a great rate, and you know, moving forward into the future should be comfortable with seeing appreciation, you know, a few years down into the road and everything. So things are looking good there. For sellers, it's also a really good time. So it's a really unique market where it's good for both buyers and sellers, although it's more difficult for buyers right now because sellers, there's hardly any competition, there's hardly any homes out there. So a lot of sellers are seeing, hey, you know, I'm going to put my house on the market because buyers are just fighting with each other. I mean, we're seeing even $400,000, $500,000 price range, we're seeing multiple offers with bidding wars and everything. So it's a really interesting, unique time right now for both buyers and sellers. And that's just kind of what's going on in our area. So feel free to reach out to me if you need to buy or if you need to sell, looking for guidance on maybe what be right timing for you or anything like that. Feel free to connect with me. My website, sellwithdoug.com. Give me a call, email, connect with me on Facebook, my business page, follow or subscribe to my YouTube, and you can follow all my blogs as well, my bloggers. So hope everyone's having a great day and clear skies.